Hi, Joel. Hello. How can we go back to be afraid when we do? Lambo, Lambo. Steve, you send your WhatsApp to me. Do you have? Andre, hello. Happy, hello. Leo, hello. Leo Ong, hi. Hi, Beckham. Gigi, hello. How we can go back to be friends. Achi, wait. Hi, Achi. Achi, I already messaged you. Bruno, what are you doing, Bruno? Achi, did you see I already messaged you? Hi, Bruno. You messaged me back. You messaged me back. How we can go back to be friends and we not. Hi, Alej. Kara, hello. Woman, hi. Sarap. Sarap. Mas masarap. Hi, Jay. Mas masarap ka. Jay, how are you, Jay? I don't have Gcash. Hi, Josh. Happy News ka. Hi, Kim. Jay, what are you doing? Followed mo ko, Jay. Jinx, hello. I'm just wake up. You want I will wake up talaga. I will wake up you. I will make you happy you want. Thank you. Thank you for following me. Damien, hello. Where are you from? Oh, thank you so much, Jay. Jay, thank you. Where are you from, Jay? I'm living here in UK. Are you Filipino, Jay? I think you're Filipino. Thank you. Thank you. Saan ka sa Pinas, Jay? Kim, hello. Oh, I hope you won. Sana manalo ko. I hope you won. Thank you. Hi, Golden Basher. How are you, Golden Basher? Hello, I see you. Hi, Manila. Hang, hello. Same lang tayo. Hang, hello. Alam mo ba yung Dragon Bubble here, Jay? Try nga natin, baka manalo tayo. Hi, Hank! Hank, where are you from? Alex, hello. Golden Basher, where are you from? USA. Followed me, Bank Hank. Followed me. Do you have the WhatsApp? Wow. Golden Gate. Close na tayo. Okay. You send it your WhatsApp in the inbox. Ha, Jay, close na tayo. Send mo yung WhatsApp mo sa akin. May WhatsApp ka. Where are you? I'm from Philippines. Meron. Send mo sa akin. You send your WhatsApp to me.